Quickly replace front brake pads for your 2006 Ford Mustang GT. Remove your car's rim. Use a 12mm socket to remove the brake caliper. Remove this bolt as well. It also holds the brake caliper. I zip-tied the brake caliper like this. Remove brake pads. Link will be in the description to buy these brake pads. Remove the brake caliper pins. Grease the brake caliper pins. I use synthetic brake parts, lubricant. Put the brake caliper pin boots back on like this. Careful not to damage it. Use a brake caliper compression tool to compress the brake caliper pistons. Link will be in the description to buy this brake caliper compression toolkit. It is easy to use. Anyone can do it. You too can do this brake job. Open up the brake fluid reservoir cap. I compress the brake caliper pistons together evenly. It is a good idea to resurface brake rotors or buy new brake rotors. If you noticed uneven surface, the rotors might have a little bit of uneven dot surface, but it is not highly noticeable. I use brake cleaner to clean the rotors. I put the new brake pad clips. They came with the new brake pads. I added lubricant to the brake pad clips. Link to buy the brake pads will be in the description. Like, comment, or subscribe if you like this video. I added lubricant to the brake caliper pistons, and a little bit of lubricant here as well. Install the brake caliper back on and close the brake fluid reservoir cap. Step on your brake pedal a few times. Make sure there is no brake fluid leak. Then put your rim back on. Then take the car for a test drive. I decided to use the same brake rotors without resurfacing them. Remember, it is a better idea to resurface the rotors. I drove the car for many miles, and the brakes were working good with no problems. In conclusion, I say thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for watching. And like always, until next time.